What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I have some good news. I got myself a K24. Those that are new to the channel, here's my BMW E36 Wagon, imported from Germany. And in the previous video, I showed the car and I said I will be K-swapping it. And when I say it, I mean it. So here it is. I'm going to tear it down. Well, at least get the valve cover off for now. Take off the rest, depending on what I see under the valve cover. And I'll just show you how everything looks. All right, so got the valve cover off and I am super stoked on what I see. This thing is beautiful inside. I don't see any varnish whatsoever. This thing looks like it probably had regular oil changes, and hopefully it's low mileage. Everyone, oh, it's JDM, it's low mileage. I don't buy it. You see all those videos of all the JDM cars, they're getting the crap beat out of them. So I don't even take that into account. But visually, it looks perfect. I managed to break the VTEC solenoid because I was prying down on it. I didn't realize it. So yeah, I broke the VTEC solenoid, but whatever, replaceable type thing. I think at this point I am happy with at least how the top end looks, and I'm gonna throw it up on a stand. So it is a new day and my garage is a mess because I needed to clear out the space to get the engine lift out. So the goal is to put this on a lift and remove everything that I don't need, which is almost everything other than the block and some sensors or whatnot, so I can start on the rear-wheel drive K-swap E36 wagon swap. So let's get started. So I did do a time lapse, but I did it incorrectly because I haven't used my GoPro in quite some time. But here it is, it's on the stand. So at this point, I'm gonna finally break down the crane and move all this crap out of my way and start working on getting it tore down. So I'll do that now, and I'll probably do a time lapse correctly this time. Woo! All right, so everything is torn down. I didn't see anything crazy that catches my eye. It's pretty much your run-of-the-mill K24a. Gotta just clean up the block. Probably save that for another video, but it is now stripped down to where I usually like to clean it up, paint it, all that good stuff. I need to get a USDM water pump housing. Those familiar with K24As, you know that has to be changed. I don't know if I'm gonna tear apart anything else, just because I feel like everything pretty much is good to go as far as bottom end and top end, unless I decide to put cams in it or something. But I don't know, I'll probably show you guys a deeper look into the intake valves and the exhaust ports, just kind of get an idea what I got here. All right, so that one looks good. That one good. All good. Very clean. I don't see any grime or anything. I mean, very well, this could be a low mileage engine like they claim from all the importers. And then the exhaust valves, I don't see any kind of wetness, just your usual soot from exhaust gases. But it's a pretty good looking block. Much better looking than the one I got from a unknown miles TSX from my EG build, if you guys are familiar with that one. But I think this will wrap up the video, because this was all the video was tearing down and kind of inspecting the engine. But we're all going in the right direction to put this K24a in that E36 wagon. So if you liked the video, like, comment, subscribe. Check me out on Instagram, ChrisBuilt92. Till next time, later.